Today we will see how to make a screw blade for a screw conveyor. So this is a screw conveyor. So okay, top model. Let's start now. Okay, select the part. Select a plane. I choose front plane for making screw only. Now make a circle. Give the dimension 42. Extrude. This is for like I'm making a pipe, a solid pipe, so providing thickness. Okay, 3.5. okay, so now change the appearance. Need to okay, material metal. Okay, looking good. Now I'm making a plane because of I need to make a helicals, so that's why in plane I need to make one circle. So circle, put a dimension. It's a fully defined right now. Okay. Now give the feature and helicals here. I select up. This dimension is already mentioned because I used previous one, so that's why. Now I need to make one more plane on this helicals, so I select this point and this helical for making plane. Now I need to make one rectangle on this plane. Attach with this. Rectangle thickness is only 3 mm because the sheet will be 3 mm. I need to identify. It's a fully defined. I use always use a fully defined command when I need to use fully defined. You can make a separate give separate dimension for fully defined. Now swipe it, and now it's the screw is ready. Now need to make holes over there because of we need to fix a screw along with bars shaft. So that's why we need to provide two holes for screws. So select right plane. I need to make two holes for bolts. So okay, circle that place also, and give the dimension of this 90. It's 120, 140, and give the diameter is 11 mm because we need to insert a M10 bolts, so we always provide 11 mm. I use fully defined command for fully defined sketch, and both dimension is equally, so that's cut through hole both side. Now perfectly match. Okay. Now need to make two more holes on second plane, like top plane. Same process is applying. Same 11 mm dimension. Give the distance from face end. Select both circle. The command is Control All and equal. Apply equal. Okay. Same feature Extrude Cut. Select both side. Cut both side. Okay. Now it's a fully okay. Now I'm applying the appearance. Okay, looking good. Need to save it. Name is blade of screw. Now we need to make a second part. This second part is a shaft. Okay, select part and make a second part. Front plane. I use a revolve boss base, so I'm making a one sketch over here. Give the dimension for proper fully defined sketch. (35 divided by 2, 17.5, 17. The length is 200 and not. I use this distance 400 only, and use revolve boss base. Center line, axis line, this one, revolve boss base. Okay, now I need to apply appearance, metal. Good. This one is good. Okay, now I need to what is this? Okay, so I need to make a sketch. Chamfer is it? I use it. Making a chamfer over here. 3 mm. Now I need to make a slots and holes. Just remember, I make a slots. I use a top right front plane and right plane and making a rectangle over here. I give the dimension. (135) and I use here 10 mm and this is 5 mm. I also apply coins center distance, but I use this. Okay, I using arc. Give the dimension is 5 mm, and after that I convert this vertical line as a reference line, so we have a proper sketch as a fully defined sketch. Need to cut, extrude cut, and make sure I'm taking a offset from the 17 mm, 17 half. Yeah, 17 mm. Now it's looking good. Okay, now need to make a holes over there, because in the blade we provide 2 holes, so this hole and that hole will be match. Okay, so 230, and I use fully defined sketch because I need to apply one relation, so that's fine. After applying fully defined sketch, its relation will be applied automatically. Now need to sketch a front plane, make one hole, give the same dimension 11 mm. Okay, extrude cut, cut on both sides. It's only single side. Okay, so select on both sides. Now need to apply some appearance over there for hole and everything. Don't worry, it's not a mandatory for this. After that, applying the appearance, I need one more shaft related to this. So what we can do, we can do one thing. We save as it is, as a shaft 0.2. If 01, give the number name, and little bit changes happen, only shaft length and hole distance and key distance only. So after that, save this first, shaft 01. Okay, now I need to save as one more time. Shaft 02. Okay, so here on top shaft 02 is showing, so I need to change only dimensions over there. It's save my time only, so that's why I make same thing. Otherwise I need to make one more time as it is whatever I do in previous one. Key length is different, it's 56. This shaft like smallish shaft where his length is as compared to previous one is smaller. We use only for upside because we don't have a pulley in upper screw conveyor, and that one is 400 length, and we use only okay assembly here. Now insert a parts in the both part is shaft 1, shaft 2. Drop here and drop here. Okay, now select a circular concentric mate. I am applying both circular faces. Okay, now it's wrong, need to reverse it. So going to mate and edit feature and reverse the mate. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, one more hole to hole relation is applying. Go center. Okay, it's not moving anywhere, it's locked, I think. Yeah, now I'm doing the same for another shaft. Its shaft length is bigger as compared to this one. That one is why it's bigger, because of after assembling, when we are assembling a whole machine, this carries 2 pulleys over there, so that's why it's a bigger. Okay, delete it. Delete it. Now it's perfect. Now we need to apply a bolt over there, nut and bolt system. First save blade SSM. Now I need to apply bolts, so I go to the tools, I use a Allen bolt, M10 bolt. Okay, perfect. I choose only one because I have something for you guys. Just select this piece, mate it, and now I choose a nut over there, another face for locking that. Now my nut is okay. Okay. Now to mate the face, tangent mate, applying tangent mate. Now we have a copy with mates option over here, so I select both component and use a copy with mate feature for this, because if I apply again and again, I need to use a tangent mate over there, so that's why I use a copy with mate feature. So only in this feature I apply the repeated same things, and just selecting the face only. Done. It's easy, I think. Yeah, quick. So that thing in our screw conveyor blade is ready, guys. So after ready every component, we need to assemble every part. and made a final screw conveyor as a working condition. So it is okay. Okay, perfectly everything is mating. Yeah, looking good. So screw is ready. So thank you guys for watching.